2 months ago and one day, I invested $1,000 into Stoic, an automated crypto trading bot. Now in these 2 months, the crypto market as a whole has taken a huge hit, with China enforcing new bans, Elon Musk running his mouth, and various other factors, such as people realizing that there are way too many meaningless meme coins. But anyway, 2 months ago, the global market cap of cryptocurrency sat just above $2 trillion. Quite a bit of money. As of filming this video, it is now only valued at just $1.2 trillion. That's a decrease of 40%. So if I had invested my $1,000 into a fund which tracked the crypto market cap, then I would be down currently to just $600. However, I invested my $1,000 into Stoic and I'm currently left with $905, which equates to a decrease of 9.5%. Now, that's still not great performance really, we'd like to see it in the green. However, given the whole cryptocurrency market as a whole has decreased 40%, I can't be too annoyed. Quick note, if you like these Stoic videos, then be sure to subscribe and like the video. It means that I know you like them, and if you subscribe, you won't miss any future updates and you'll get to see how my portfolio performs. Now, before I go on, I want to clarify something. I'm judging Stoic's performance as a whole, because as you can see, I only really have about 16% of that $1,000 I put in invested. This is due to Stoic's hedging strategies and a number of other factors. But it appears that only 16% of my initial investment has actually been invested, the rest is kept in stablecoin. And it was even less than 16% in some of my previous updates, I believe. So if we pretend it was just always 16% to make the numbers easy, that's $160 out of 1,000. And given I'm currently down $95 from my initial investment, then really I've lost well over 50% of the money that Stoic actually invested. I had quite a few comments in previous videos pointing this out, so thank you if you did comment, it's a really good point. But despite this, I am continuing to judge Stoic as a whole for a number of reasons. Firstly, Stoic were very clear on their website, and I've gone over this in previous videos, that they say their strategy is a long-term strategy. Now 2 months is not a long time, and I think I got pretty lucky when unlucky, when I actually invested my money. So it was just before crypto kind of started going Secondly, Stoic also state that their system, their algorithm, won't be able to make money in a bear market. They've not come out with a shorting bot yet, so they can only take long positions, which means in a bear market, they are going to incur losses. And that is, if you look at the last 2 months, you could consider it a bear market. Everything's been steadily on the decline. So given that, I wouldn't expect Stoic to be making a whole lot of money. And to be fair to it, it has cut the losses of the market as a whole, which is what it said it would do. However, the main issue that I have, and I'm currently unsure of whether it is the case or not, that I'm unsure if the algorithm itself has actually decided that it only wants to invest at 16%, possibly because it's read some indicators or however it works, that it knows that there was some kind of decrease coming or it was increasingly volatile, and they've kept that money in stablecoin so they can invest it later. Or I'm not sure if that's just it not really working properly. So at this stage, I still don't really know, because if it is the case that the algorithm has decided that, then great, I've got a lot of money left in reserve which I could now invest given the market's at a reduced price. However, if that's not the case and it's just not working properly, then as people have pointed out before, that's really not great. That's well over a 50% loss. So I'm unsure as to what it is, but I'm still going to leave my money in here, probably for a couple of years at least, because I really do want to see how this turns out. Something kind of linked to that is Stoic have recently come out and said that if you have less than $2,000 in your account, which I do, I only invested $1,000, then their algorithm may not be able to work exactly how it should. So that's a little bit of an issue for me and kind of annoying, because if I knew that at the start, then maybe I wouldn't have invested. But at this point, I don't want to put any more into Stoic. I have exposure to crypto in other investments. I don't really want to put another $1,000 in, so I won't be touching it. So bear that in mind if you're looking at my results as kind of a case study, because it may very well be different from someone that actually has more than $2,000 in, because the algorithm may not be working properly with my account. So bear that in mind. Now, final point, I've got an email from Stoic the other day saying that they're actually offering 50% off. So 50% off their fees when you sign up, which was before, I believe, 5%. So when I invested $1,000, I paid a $50 fee. However, now it would only be $25. So if you were perhaps on the fence about using Stoic, you wanted to try it out, then I think now could be a good time if you wanted to do it, as the market's taking a bit of a dip. You're kind of buying the dip and you're also getting a reduced fee. So if you're considering, now may be a good time. Just so you know, I'm in no way affiliated with Stoic, as much as I would love to say I am. I don't think I'm quite on that level yet. So this is no way sponsored. I'm just letting you guys know in case you did want to sign up and save a little bit of money. So that's all the updates I have for you in this month. I want you to let me know in the comments below how your Stoic portfolio has performed. As always, if you have enjoyed the video, I would really appreciate it if you left a like. Subscribe as well so you don't miss my future updates. Hope you all have a good day, and I'll see you later.